Tonight in Mocktail Stadium, we will witness another epic drink mixing as our challenger demonstrates her own unique drink and competes with one of our mocktail master. As we all know, the mocktail master and the challenger has only 2 minutes to do their mocktails, and the secret ingredient must be prominent to their drinks. But before that, let's take a look at our challenger.
Hi, my name is Nicole. I'm 19 years old and I'm taking up HRIM at the College of St. Benil.
I've been doing mocktails ever since high school. During house parties with friends, I'm usually the one who mixes drinks.
So let's all welcome our challenger, Nicole! So Nicole, who do you want to challenge?
I choose Mocktail Master Chris.
Let's welcome Mocktail Master Krisa. So, our secret ingredient for tonight is calamansi! So let the mocktail battle begin!
As we can see, Master B is working with some calamansi juice, honey, mango flavored iced tea, and syrup. So Master, can you tell us what you'll be serving to our dear judges?
So basically, this mocktail is very easy to do. So we pour in first our calamansi juice. Then we add some honey. Then pour in our mango flavored iced tea. And add some syrup.
Add some ice and garnish.
Now, on the challenger side, we can see she's using soda, honey, and grenadine. Can you tell us what you'll be serving to our judges?
So basically, what we're gonna do is to put everything together. So first, we're gonna use the calamansi juice. And we'll add a bit of soda, some honey. We mix that well, and we'll add grenadine syrup to taste. So there you go.
Going back to our master's table, we can see she's now working on her second mocktail. Wow, we could see that our master is also working with soda for her second mix. Let's find out what she's up to.
So I'm now working on with what we call the lemon squash. So we put in some honey, we pour in our calamansi juice, cola, we squeeze in some lemon, and garnish. And there you have it, the final product.
Back to our challenger, let's see what she'll be doing for her second mocktail.
So we'll just pour in our calamansi juice, add a bit of syrup. We can mix that together. And then we'll add some mint syrup. Just mix that in the drink. And then some aloe vera juice.
10, count!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A round of applause for our 2 competitors. So ladies, whose mocktail will be judged first?
For us, we did not bring anything new to the table.
Let's move on to our challenger. Ladies, pick up your glasses and sit down. We definitely have a winner! Now let's party! Well, since everybody's busy partying, it's time to say goodbye! See you next time, folks!